I'm Becky Sheets with Fairway Independent Mortgage, and I wanted to have a candid conversation with you prospective homebuyers out there about whether or not buying a home is still a good investment. Some of you are a little bit hesitant right now because you're hearing that there's volatility in the market, that interest rates are going up, there's a housing shortage, etc. But as you know, negative news sells, sensational news sells, and I want to put things in perspective for you. If you really look at historical rates are still crazy low. We are still in the fours, and that is still a very affordable rate. In fact, I bought my first home at 7.5%, so if you can imagine that. Also, the housing shortage there will be some relief down the road here. We have a lot of new construction happening, and the vacancy rate is very low right now. So it's actually really hard to rent right now. So I encourage you, those of you who have not bought yet, to come in for a consultation and let's just see how affordable buying a home for you is. And for those of you who are wondering about, are we on the verge of another housing bubble because of the rapidly appreciating values in our area? My opinion, my professional opinion is no, I don't believe we are in for a housing bubble, at least not to the degree that we experienced back in 2007. There were a lot of factors back then that are not factors now. One of them being that the credit standards back then were a lot lower, the down payment standards were lower, the appraisal standards were a lot lower, and now we have stricter standards for those things, which actually help protect us. Also, a lot of those mortgages back then were adjustable rate mortgages with prepayment penalties, and that really was a huge cause of these foreclosures. And so now there are stricter standards. We're putting you in much safer loans right now that help protect you as a home buyer. Foreclosure rates are down, vacancy rates are down. All of this looks really good for the housing market. And so I encourage you to make an appointment. Knowing is always better than wondering. So let's see if we can get you into a home in 2018. Please give us a call at 253-797-1316 or visit us at sheetshomeloans.com.